Okay, I'm reloaded Big Cappuccino here. I apologize. I was supposed to do this video a couple of days ago, but I was trying to determine how I was going to pivot because this is going to be basically the companion video to Show and Tell number 160, but it was such a big video as far as what I had with mainline and premium that I decided to do two parts. So this is going to be the main line, and we're going to get into some basically the main line, some models. I decided, and this is not even all of them because I had a whole lot, and I'm trying to lay off the main line in the new year because I really don't have any more space right now. I'm deciding what I'm going to do as far as the space. It would be nice if I would have moved so I would have more space because I need a whole room just for the diecast, but I don't have it right now. So it's spread throughout everywhere, and sometimes I have to do certain things to protect it because at times I have different people in and out of my place. So I can't have it spread out like I want to. I have to cover it up sometimes. Sometimes I have to keep it under lock and key. But it is what it is. Next, let's get into what we're going to get into. First, we got the Hot Wheels Batmobile. They debuted in Batman 2021 series, designed by Mason Cheong. And this is from the 2020 Batman movie starring Robert Pattinson and Zoe Kravitz. She played Catwoman in that. This version right here, yeah. On the left is the version that we have, the Batman series 2022. I think that's a matte black as opposed to the other one that I think is a glossy. It might both be. One feels more glossy, the one on the right, and that's from 2021, and it's my era car. I don't see if you can illustrate. See, this one has one tail light, so that's my era car from 2021. So that's pretty much it. And this one has battle damage, the 2022 series, which is above the main line. They do a little series every year on Batman. This one has battle damage on the side. So that's the reason why I picked it up. The rest of this stuff I couldn't care about because they had close to, I think, I want to say like 5 cars, maybe more. They usually do like 5 to 10 cars in this series. Most of the variations of the Batmobile I already have. So let's move on. Next, we have the Honda S2000. They debuted in 2011, new models, designed by Rio Sada. Supposedly, this was Rio's favorite JDM of all time. This one has a customized roof, air scoop, front splitter, rear wing, custom hood, all designed by Rio Sada, because it's not based on any like existing body kit or whatever. Yeah, he was such a great designer. Rest in peace, man. Probably one of my favorite designers, if not my favorite. Him and Juni May, I don't know, they go hand in hand to me because they help create JDM, the JDM stable for Hot Wheels to me, improved it. And of course, they did Japanese historics. Um, the red one is from HWJ Imports 2022. The silver one is from 2011, new models. Silver with the bronze PR5 wheels. And, I picked this one because very few of them have headlight and tail light detail. These are the only two in my collection that have headlight and detail. I think I have a premium one too, from one of the premium series that has headlights and tail lights, but I decided to go with the main line. Okay, let's move on. Sorry. Next, we actually have a newer casting. I think this is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. It debuted in HWJ Imports 2022. It was designed by Dmitry Shakhmatov, who's a newer designer. I know I ran into his name a couple of times, but it's been over a couple of years. This is based on a Nissan C110 Skyline GTR. It looks more like the GTX to me from 72. But they say it's based on. It looked like the Ken Murray to me. So I got the Ken Murray because I think that's what it was. I think they made a mistake on the Hot Wheels wiki. This is supposed to be similar to the car owned by Liberty Walk's founder, Rotorio. Yeah, I'm right. Rotorio Kato. Yeah, this is Ken Murray right here. It looks more like that to me than what they said it looked like, but I might be wrong. And this Ken Murray was the casting was designed by by Jun Ame. This is a 2011 model. The HT 2000 GTR. This is from Then and Now 2021, yellow with the chrome DP8 wheels. So this one is kind of cool because it reminds me so much of, if you see videos and stuff of JDM when they have car meets and stuff like that. The customized ones they call the Basazuku type customization that we were doing like in the 80s and the 90s. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. And it is a right hand drive. That's cool. Next, we're going to get into the Teslas. We have a bunch of Teslas. I hope I got these in order. We got the I ain't do the Tesla long. Oh yeah. Oh, dang. We got the Tesla Model X. Yeah, this Tesla Model X debuted in MBX Highway. MBX Highway 2022. This is the Matchbox. This is second color variation. No designer listed. This is an MBX Highway 2022 version. Metal flake white. And I got one from 2017 in this metal flake red. I don't think there's much deviation in the casting. This debuted in the red one debuted in, is that, or is that a Hot Wheels? No, this is a Hot Wheels one. I'm sorry. So it's two different companies. The red one is Hot Wheels, and it debuted in Factory Fresh 2017. It was designed by Rio Sada. The metal flake red with the RA6 wheels. So you can see the difference. I think one of them is a later one, maybe, or one got more detail. I think one just got more detail than the other. So you can see the difference in the casting. This might be based on a later version, though. This should be, because this one looks more modern than that one. But anyway, that's the Tesla Model X. Next, we're going to get into a car looks similar to the one I just showed, but this is the Tesla Model Y that debuted in MBX Metro 2022 in metal flake red. And I thought I had some Model X's, but I don't. Only thing I have is Model 3s, and I think I have Model S's, but other than the Model X, the Model X's I don't have any Model Ys. So this Model Y is the first one I got, I think, from Matchbox. 2022 metal flake red NBX Metro. Man, headlight, tail lights, all of that. They did a great job. And last but not least, we have this model, this Tesla. This is the last Tesla. This is the Tesla Roadster. It debuted in car culture. This is a Hot Wheels American Scene 2022, designed by Phil Rowman. This car actually is not available. Well, it should be maybe coming out now, 2023. But who knows? Because that Cybertruck has been supposedly been trying to come out for the last 2 years, 2 or 3 years before the pandemic. So I've yet to see one on the street. This is the Hot Wheels 2022 version. Hot Wheels Exotic and Metal Flake Silver. And you got the headlights, you got tail lights. I guess this replaces the Roadster they used to have, because the one they put in space, the Spaceman. But if it's a Roadster, I thought it was supposed to be convertible, but I don't know what happens with this. Does this slide back or something? I don't know. But they like that Panamera roof. I guess Elon Musk likes them like that. So that's pretty much it. And this is, like I said, this is going to be Odds and Ends number 73, part 1. Like I always say, not the best diecast content channel, but not the worst either. The model here is to show a little love for the content, for the diecast. I want to thank the subscribers for holding me down as far as random viewers. I hope you decide to subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a like behind, leave a reply behind. I love getting feedback. It helps me to gauge how I want the channel to go. And like I said, I want to thank everybody, man, who really been supporting me this year through the ups and downs with the channel. Haven't always felt like doing content. At some point, I thought about just packing it all in and going through changes, like I said. Even with my collecting, I'm changing. I'm not always getting all the main lines or gung ho about the newest premium sets and stuff. So, with that said, peace and blessings. Has been Odds and Ends number 73, part 1.